Hi guys, most welcome to my YouTube channel, Upcoming with MG. Thanks for being here. I am here with new interesting video. In this video today we will discuss new Chinese upcoming drama releasing in April 2020. Its cast with real ages will be discussed in this video, so make sure you watch the video till the end. If you are new then subscribe my channel. The drama name is Autumn Cicada 2020. Let's get started.
Tucked your way into my heart.
His date of birth is April 11, 1989, and his present age is 30 years.
With you, I know that this is all, so I don't need to take it slow.
Her date of birth is June 4, 1988, and her present age is 31 years.
We don't need no miracle. I think we've seen it all. Just make the call. I'll come running over.
Her date of birth is May 18, 1987, and her present age is 32 years.
And I'll be yours. I'll come running over.
His date of birth is May 3, 1981, and his present age is 38 years.
And I'll be yours.
His date of birth is July 6, 1990, and his present age is 29 years. Her date of birth is May 14, 1996, and her present age is 23 years.
Oh, you open up a world behind stars.
Her date of birth is October 19, 1991, and her present age is 28 years.
With you, I know that this is all, so we don't need to take it slow. If you want me, then I believe.
His date of birth is March 30, 1990, and his present age is 30 years.
We don't need no miracle. I think we've seen it all. Just make the call. I'll come running over. We don't need no miracle. It's unconditional.
His date of birth is August 24, 1987, and his present age is 32 years.
I'll come running over. We don't need no miracle. It's unconditional. Just make the call.
His date of birth is 1989, and his present age is 31 years. That's all. I hope so you will enjoy the video. Please tell us in comment below. Please like my videos and share with your loved ones. Comment and subscribe to my channel for more. Thanks for watching.